so many. There's so many. There's so many. There's so many. Mom, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Oh, what was that? What was that?
Adam, are you ready? Adrian, I think they got everything. Let's go take the apparatus. East side.
There's a lot of bottles over there.
Let's go.
Escape is really near us.
Adrian,
Hi. No clue where I'm at.
I know where we are.
This
I lied.
doesn't lead anywhere.
I lied.
Yeah. You're going the direction I went. It's 2 dead ends.
Wait, no, but I do know. But first,
And we're right by power box. Okay. Good idea, cutting all power in this house. We're sure trying to find the apparatus.
wait. No, come here.
We were just here.
But we gotta try harder.
There's just dead ends in here.
No.
This is a dead end. No.
You didn't look hard
Now you're
enough.
just going to another dead end.
No.
This room is just a dead end.
What about upstairs?
It's just a dead end.
Oh, where are we?
I'm telling you. I've been in here.
What about here? Adrian.
That.
Adrian. What do we do about that?
No. Did it have a dead body? Only way to light. Wait, where'd you go? Fuck, was it after me when it was after you?
I thought you were dead.
You don't get it. He got you. He yelled at you, ran at you.
Where do we go? They found it. There's somebody in here. Oh. That's crazy. Adrian, you're cutting out.
We both died in the same way.
We were both on like the
'cause you-
tube
I
thing
don't
and we
know.
ran off.
Shit was so scary because me and Diego were just at dead ends.
Adrian,
Oh my god, I don't want to do that again.
There's spiders and head crabs.
Hey guys.
There's spiders in the fake solutions.
where?
Look, I'll step in this
How
way.
do you kill it?
Guys, guys! Are you getting him?
Yeah, but he's going after you instead.
Adrian,
Where?
stand down.
He's right here.
Adam, you can also break his web.
Come up here. He's chilling with me. We're best friends.
Adam, get him.
Spider. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Damn right.
What's the plan, Isai?
Yeah.
No, I said, what's the plan? Don't say yeah. Isai?
Level of it.
Wait, what happened?
Oh shit!
Ah!
Oh shit! Run to the ship! Oh, the ship! Mine to the ship! There's mines! Run! Just jump!
Get
There's
up!
mines to the ship! There's mines everywhere!
Oh, dinosaur!
Wait, who survived? No!
Dude, it's me! What? Did we all? Oh my god.
That's Mordecai.
Hey! Damn, am I weak or something?
Wait, who is Lady Kimino?
I shouldn't have sold my sign.
$5 if I killed you?
If we don't have the, oh yeah, by the
Adrian,
way,
saw your thing. Leave! Leave! Leave!
Oh, why'd you jump off? Why'd you jump off?
By the way, for everyone, if
Where?
Oh, you gotta jump on
He's
this.
right in front of
Yeah,
us.
Go from that.
Enemy.
The enemy died.
Did he die? Who just died?
He died.
He's fucking.
Adrian, ask for faster directions.
There's a facehugger!
Adam
Just,
has my
there,
sign
flame
now.
of us.
Let's go this way.
Shrimp.
Like around. Go around.
Just go around.
Why didn't you? Wait, let's run. Why didn't he go around?
Ah, he took your shit.
Erlen, you got a walkie-talkie?
Oh, the bell. There's a bell.
Ooh,
No, I
fantastic.
don't.
I sure hope he doesn't get on my head. No! No!
Apparently a...
So come to my boys.
Why?
Come to me.
Why? Oh,
Hey,
fire
I got
exit.
loot.
Yeah, loot.
Just precious loot. People, come to me. Come to me, guys. I got loot.
That sounds like a trap.
Where?
Loot for days.
Who is this in front of me?
Me. It's
Oh,
me,
hi.
Adam.
I think he's lying to us. I think we're gonna die.
No, just hear me somewhere. You're abominable. I think you're above me.
Abominable snowman. Ah! Is this... Adrian, you literally. This is when I. This is where I was when I said don't come here.
Oh.
Are you stupid? I hope you get shot.
I don't. Oh, they turned it off. God damn it.
Hello? Hello?
Step on that.
Wait, you literally stepped on it. Why did you block? They was trying to kill me. They was trying to kill
I
me.
have no idea.
Send Diego back. He's gone crazy.
Take my key.
Diego, what the fuck? Diego!
I'll teleport Adrian too. He doesn't have anything.
Wait, I don't...
Oh.
Aim for the creeper, Matt.
I didn't do it! 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 Wasn't me.
That's crazy. Nobody
What's your
teleported you.
nature?
Oh, bottles. Fantastic. Adam. What do we do
Keep
about
looking
this?
at it. We get out.
Where?
There's a.
I'll go in. I'll be a sacrifice. Teleport my body.
Yeah, you need to get out of there.
Follow my boys. Follow my boys. Follow me.
Wait, I hear you. Almost dead.
Where are you, Adrian?
Diego, I'm so dead.
No, you're not dead.
Wait. Speak.
Good. Come here.
Oh, go.
Where is he? Oh, there
There's
he
a
is.
giant.
Adam. Oh, behind you.
What are we looking
The
at?
guy.
White eyes. White eyes guy.
Where?
Oh, magnifying glass.
He ran away.
Come here.
I think he might have gotten someone.
Hi.
Where do we go? Where's way out?
Stay next to the first time. I think we're ahead.
Oh, we got Jolly Boy.
Diego, do you have it?
No, I think
I have the
it's
stun gun, yeah,
Erlen.
but I just can't see.
Erlen's Jack in the Box
just
guy.
can't-
Flashlight thing.
Oh, he's right there.
He's right there.
Deep feet in.
Ah!
They're just watching.
Wonder what?
No, it doesn't. Oh, it It doesn't see him? Oh, that's its back.
Uh-oh.
Never mind, that's the front.
Not its back.
That's the front. That's the front.
Why isn't Asher teleporting yet? He is.
I know you had stuff. There was something changing.
No, that was fine. I wanted to.
Ray wasn't
I
even
was
saying
lost.
anything. He was so quiet.
Yeah.
I would have died in there.
Look at our friends and the lovely bodies.
What a fantastic.
What?
Oh, walls.
I think he's above us. You wanna go back in?
Look back in.
I don't see him yet. Is he in here? Adrian, come in here. Adrian, he can't.
Run.
Wait, look away now.
For less than 4 seconds.
Oh, he's walking away.
Is he schizo?
No, he's coming back. He's coming back. Run away. Come back. Wait. He left Angel to die. We're good.
If you come across him, just stare at him for a little bit and then look away. Like less than 4 seconds.
Oh, so I just got lucky that one time. Okay, we gotta jump across.
I remember we gotta do. You ready?
Are you the last one alive?
I don't know what you saying, but Angel. I hear noises.
Adrian, wait. Adrian. I hate you, man.
Why? You didn't answer.
What did you say? You didn't say nothing.
Said why? Gonna answer?
Adrian, take this piece of metal.
Mike, are you deaf?
The thing's that way, by the way. On the other side. Don't you see him? Look. I didn't know he could jump. I can't tell if I'm okay or not, Adrian. There's a lot of loot in here. Except there's a turret. Adrian, I need your help. What? Wait, can you run it out of ammo? Isan, what are you gonna do now? Wait, can you crouch under it? Isan, wait, I don't know what to do. That was so fast. Wait. You're not Adrian.
Because Angel doesn't know what you're on.
Angel, I didn't know what to do. I
Dude,
watched
just
it.
ladder, like in the middle of nowhere.
Bro, they're literally just soft locked.
Wait, what did they, how did they do this?
And the game's just wide open here.
There's laddering as big as you.
Yes.
Don't!
Yeah. How did that?
No, my boy!
What did y'all do?
Okay, Angel died to that.
You guys died as soon as you guys entered?
No, Angel. I'll be back.
Alright, let's
The
go.
monster gets angry.
What's that? Oh, it's the entrance.
Don't fall in. Angel, are you dumb?
I think. Wait.
You're falling
Why?
in.
No, it's not. It's nothing bad.
It's water. You're gonna drown. Have fun.
No fucking way.
Yeah, I told you. Ah! Take my arrow. Hey, wait, I'm gonna die!
Die,
Stop!
Oh, we gotta take his body back now. You're on me? He's die!
You're fucked up.
You went with it.
Why'd you guys start it?
Because you. Wait.
He's already going for
Keep
it.
it.
I'm gonna turn everything on. I'm turning the stop sign. I'm turning the stop sign.
Okay, so what do we have to turn in?
Everything.
Everything.
We found
No,
the
no,
first
no.
day, that's it.
I'm gonna turn this stop.
Ow! Ow!
Stop.
Wait, we fucked up! Why'd you guys stop? You're a bad dumb. Oh my.
We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
Guys,
Does that mean?
we have to restart.
Did you go?
Oh, you stupid? You didn't want me spending money so you can throw it all away?
We're dead.
Should have spent all the money. God damn.
Wait, are you serious? Oh my days.
It doesn't even matter.
He's killing his ass.
Alright, Angel, going.
I got you.
For the turret.
I'm back.
Oh.
I think they grabbed the bulb. I think they're planning to run out because the lights went out and it said increasing levels of radiation.
Oh, we said that. Where did they even go? I hope they're alive.
Guys,
You're alive?
where's the exit?
It's over here. Follow my voice. Run this way.
Eastside's dead.
Eastside's dead? What happened?
A spider got him. We were dodging spider webs, and then the spider pulled up off the fucking. It was on
That shit was scary.
I didn't know there was that much stuff over there. I thought that was all. You can do that?
He had the power core in his hands though. He had the.
Oh. Is this way?
I hear him. Shh. Said the spider's not hostile
You said
Just
shh,
log
and then you
into-
started talking.
because he doesn't actually. Oh, there it is. Is that it?
It is. Wait, he doesn't hear Mike. He only hears.
Oh, it's Frank guy. He doesn't attack. He doesn't attack.
Oh, he doesn't.
I said he doesn't.
He does.
He just spit at you.
Thought he's killed me before. Wait, where'd you go?
He said as long as you don't jump him, as long as you don't run at him or do anything to him. No way.
There's a key here. Where are you, Adrian?
The mechanical power quest right in front of us.
Where's his body?
Right there. He's right there.
Wait, who? The spider?
On the wall, he's camping.
Okay, Adrian. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna die, and you're gonna get the core.
Hey, run left then. Oh.
Wait, no, he won't see me.
If you touch webs, run left!
I'm going left! Get it, Adrian! Adrian!
You let him!
They got the door. They got the door.
You got the core. It looped back.
The exit?
Oh yeah, pop your flat over and over.
No.
Adrian can't get up. Adrian can't get up. He's gonna have to walk to the No! 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 It's
No! No! Please!
You're so fucking close!
Someone get it on me.
You do it, Adrian.
Can make it fall off.
Oh, you can? Get it!
You sprint past. Crouch!
Nah.
Get it.
Oh, he's back up. He went
Get
back
him.
up. Did you go,
You
baby?
wanna run past again? Wait, where is he?
He's up there.
Piece of shit. Wrong side of the hood, bitch! What's happening? Guys, another step. You really excited.
That's crazy.
You woke up on the wrong side.
Alright, we got this. Let's go.
Pick up his body. There you go. Jacob, put his body outside. I told you you're gonna put his body outside, but I think you ran in fear.
Trying to order yourself a Maggie? Nah.
What happened?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Look, it's having a seizure.
The mines are moving. Oh my god, I knew I...
Level of it.
Wait, what happened?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Right to the ship! Mine to the ship! There's mine to run! Just jump!
Get
There's
up!
mine to the ship!
There's mines everywhere.
Oh, dinosaur!
Wait, who survived? No!
Dude, just leave me!
What? Did we all die? My god.
What's a cheap dude? Why?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Fine.